We are launching a new series entitled Medical Mondays, and it's all about you and your needs and how you're feeling. And we are here at the Beaumont Emergency Center. We're talking to Dr. Graves. Thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome. Good afternoon, Nicole.
Good afternoon to you as well. And today our topic is the flu. And of course, lots of people are concerned. People are getting their flu shots. But what do we really need to know about the flu?
The flu is a viral illness. It most commonly becomes prevalent in the community during the winter months, starting in about October and finishing in about March. It is transmitted mainly by coughing or sneezing, and it is best prevented by covering your mouth when you cough or sneeze and washing your hands frequently with soap and water.
And of course, a lot of people, get it confused. What's kind of the difference between like the common cold and actually having the flu?
The common cold is also a viral illness. It is symptoms usually consisting of a runny nose or a congested nose, cough, fevers, chills. There are multiple viral illnesses that can cause those symptoms, and the flu is one of those many viruses that can cause those upper respiratory symptoms.
And as far as when should somebody actually come into the ER? When should somebody get treatment?
If you feel that you have an emergency, then you should come to the emergency department. The key question you should always ask yourself concerning the flu or any upper respiratory or viral illness is if you are experiencing any shortness of breath, or more importantly, if your child appears to have any difficulty breathing.
Okay, good to know. So difficulty breathing, that's when you need to bring them in right away.
Yes.
And then another question I have is, how long do the symptoms last and how long are you contagious?
Most viral illnesses are in the body for about 2 weeks. We think there is about 5 days of incubation, 5 days to maximum symptoms, and 5 days of recuperation. Concerning the flu specifically, if you are coughing or sneezing and you have a fever, you are contagious. You are contagious while you are having a fever, and more importantly, if you are coughing or sneezing, you are contagious, and it may last for about a week after symptoms begin.
All right, thank you so much, doctor. And again, one thing that I wanted to say about the Beaumont Emergency Center is that my husband and my son, I both have brought them here, and I mean, we got in quick, we got in fast, things worked really well. My son was able to get the treatment that he needed very quickly, and he started to feel better. And one question I want to have is, can you talk to me a little bit about the mission that you guys have here at the Beaumont Emergency Center?
We are here at the Beaumont Emergency Center to deliver prompt, efficient, and care to anybody who comes to our facility. We want you to not have to wait. We want you to be seen by an emergency physician, and we want you to have your questions answered in a timely fashion while receiving excellent medical care.
All right, doctor, thank you so much for joining us again. Beaumont Emergency Center, it's the place to come if you have an emergency. And of course, they're located right here on College and I-10 in Beaumont. We'll be right back after the break.